Hey guys, welcome to Where's the Scale. So today, this is going to be lesson 3 in our Claude SEO Autopilot series, where we're building a monstrous Claude SEO automation that does keyword research, writes multimedia articles, connects everything to the website, does on-page SEO, indexing, and assembles everything every day. This is part of my larger test case study, where I'm capable to show results like this, completely bypassing Google Sandbox in a niche that is deemed super hard by Ahrefs. And if you follow my learnings, you see the results like my students who are getting clicks and impressions like this on a fresh website or getting their first leads through Rank-and-Rants. So let's get started. Now, for those of you unaware, this is a huge project that I'm recording a video on every week. I teach you how to do everything in this free YouTube video, but all the associated skills are being stored in my school community inside of the Claude SEO Autopilot class. We've done our product gap keyword research, our question gap keyword research, and now we're going to be doing the news keyword research, which is extremely powerful, especially for newer websites. Now, there are certain steps we need to take. The first one, we need to install the underlining skill. For many of my keyword research methods, the underlining skill is Reddit, and I show you how to do that inside of my school community and in my free YouTube videos. But for this news section, we're actually going to be working with 2 Google MCPs, and you can get them for free by going to a service that I'm about to reveal. So what you need to do is go to a website called MCP360.ai. You can test any other MCPs for free, at least the public ones, but I'm using their paid version because I don't want to deal with their limits. So I have a project which I just called Claude. Then what you do is go to MCP servers, then to other servers, and you can either use their search bar or just scroll down and you use all of these bad boys. So the first one is going to be Google Trends and the second is going to be Google News. So let's do them one by one. If you want to do Google Trends one, you just click on Setup, then you create a key. You call it anything you want, like Claude. Click on Create Key, and then all you have to do is copy whatever is between these quotation marks. So you copy this, you go back to Claude, then Customize, then you click Connectors, a plus sign, Add Custom Connector. You call this Google Trends, paste this in, you click on Add, and you've got yourself your Google Trends MCP. And the same way with Google News. You go back to MCP 360, scroll down until you find the Google News one. You click on Setup, Create Key, Add Custom Connector, Google News, and then you paste this in. And now you've gotten yourselves a Google News MCP and a Google Trends MCP. Okay, our next step would be testing and revising this setup. For this, we need a prompt. So you go back to Claude, you start a new task, and you paste in this prompt here. And obviously, you need to change this to your niche. Well, the prompt goes something like, find me 5 to 8 newsworthy story angles for, and this is your niche, mine is AI section. Step 1, trend signal, use Google Trends 2. Get interest over time for my 4 to 6 core seed terms. And these are the examples of the seed key terms for my niche. ChatGPT detection, AI humanizer turns in AI. Get related queries, rising, not top, for each of the seed keywords for the last 24 to 72 hours. Drop anything with the below 25 search interest. So this bit here acts as a filter. Basically, we want rising Google Trends that are happening right now. And then step 2 would be news signal for each surviving trend. Run search news with data range last 24 hours, sorted by relevance, pull headlines, source, publish time, and a 1-2 sentence summary. Step 3, cross-validate. Only keep topics where I have both a rising trend signal in the last 72 hours and at least 2 independent news sources. Step 4, output for each surviving topic. Give me one-line hook, why it's rising, top 2 sources, 3 content angles, sort by a composite score. Skip anything that's just a rehash of a story already trending more than 4 days ago. So this is the prompt. And once you run it, it will correctly identify the 2 MCPs that you have, the Google Trends MCP and the Google News MCP. It's going to give you something like this, Tier 1, cross-validated, the sincerely with the typo story, humanization by deliberate typos. A Harvard Business School student launched a Chrome extension that intentionally injects typos into AI-generated emails to make them feel human. Pengram Labs flags the Pope and Substack as AI. A third of new websites are AI-generated. Tier 2, trends rising, news lagging. first mover place, and this acts as a product gap. Auto-writes AI, clever AI humanizer, 85,000% breakout, one YouTube short exists, no comprehensive review, massive land grab. Natural Write AI, Proof-Ademic AI detector. So these are all the newer tools that are just getting discussed. Tier 3, reactive only. OpenAI linked AI agents posing as human journalists. Harvard FAS adopting Claude over ChatGPT EDU. Recommended publishing slate for this week, today, tomorrow, this week. And if you like what you see, you can do two of the following. You can package this as a skill and also schedule this to run daily. And this is what I did. I packaged mine as a news trends radar, and you'll get access to this skill here. And now it's working for me every day, finding lucrative opportunities to rank. So if we go back to our procedure, you first install the underlying skill, which is the two Google MCPs. You test and revise, you schedule, and you create a new skill. So this skill is going to be available inside of our Claude SEO Autopilot class. There's going to be a third class called News Gap, and we are moving along nicely. And very soon we'll start creating multimedia articles, but you can already use this keyword research module to rank right now. Go check out my school community. We have already surpassed 200 members. The price is not going to stay the same forever. Check out the results of our students and learn to rank in 24 to 48 hours. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.